From our friends at PetLab Co. This is their ProBright Advanced Dental Powder for dogs. This is an easy way for you to help your dogs in some of their dental care. And they have this powder specifically designed for different sizes of dogs. This is for the medium dogs. We have two dogs, Wally and Lloyd. One's 35 pounds, one's a little over 60 pounds, and so they both fit inside of that category. And use on this is very, very simple. It is a green powder. And I've seen online people asking, like, what does it smell like? To me, it's weird, but it smells like the cereal Fruity Pebbles. I don't know why, but it does. And it's just a green powder because there is some algae in here to help with the tartar buildup. And all you have to do is add 1 scoop of this to your dog's regular dry food once a day. That's it. And the ingredients of this and the grit of this helps remove the buildup, the tartar, the stains that have happened over the years on your dog's on your dog's teeth. Now, one thing to know is in shipping, this little scoop here does usually settle. I had to get a little knife in there to fish it out, but also I found that there's also a moisture packet in there as well. So it was in there. You just had to fish around for it. And so it is also one thing to know, it is a little bit dusty. So this is one of those, like, it's just now all over here. So this is one of those that you know that you're gonna have to kind of keep either in a Ziploc as well to the side and whatever. It's just a byproduct of having to be the size and the shape and the texture that the powder is. Overall, we think it works great. It's an easy addition to help their dental care. If you're looking for something like that, check this out. It's by PetLab Co. I think you're gonna love it.